ready to check it?
Yes.
Okay, for number 4, how many 10s do we have?
2.
How many 1s do we have?
3.
So what's our answer?
23.
How many 10s do we have in number 5?
4.
How many 1s?
8.
What's our answer?
48.
Great job. How many 10s do we have in number 6?
1.
How many we have in the 1?
2.
So what's our answer?
12.
Great job. Okay, number 7, we pulled Michaela. So what's number 7, Michaela? Right, it says write the missing number. We have blank 10s and 5 1s is the same as 45. So we have 4 10s and 5 1s. What would be your answer, Michaela?
10.
No. How many 10s and 5s are in 45? How many 10s are in 45? Can number 2 help her?
Yep.
What is it?
4.
Great job. We have 4 10s and 5 1s is 45. Number 8, we have, did you see, Michaela? That when you have 45, all you do is make your chart, your 10s and your 1s. And your 4 will be your 10s and your 5 will be your 1s. So we have 4 10s, right? And how many 1s?
5.
Great job. Man, I was talking to Michaela.
Just leave my pen alone.
Number 6. 6
Go around and
10s
get
and
it.
blank 1s is the same as 60. What's
She's-
that, number 6?
She's coming for one. She's coming around the back.
6 10s and blank 1s is the same as 60. 0.
That's right, 0. Great job. What is it?
0.
Great job. 6 10s and 1, 6 10s and no 1s is the same as 60. So if we made our chart, we got 10s and 1s, it'll be 6 10s and 0 1s.
Shh. Sit down.
We give y'all time to write it. Does everybody have it ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Matt, please sit down. Does anybody need extra time to finish writing? Raise your hand. Okay. Okay. Let Ashton finish writing.
Hey, don't put them in your mouth.
Get my pen away from your
Everybody
mouth.
turn to the last page.
Put it on my desk.
Okay. It says solve the problems below. Sue has juice boxes for her party. She has 3 packages of 10 and she has 7 extra boxes. So number 10, what is it telling me? How many 10s are we gonna have? How many? 3? Great job. We're gonna have 3 10s. Because it says she has 3 packages of 10, so you would have 1 10, 2 10s, 3 packages of 10s. That's 1, 2, 3 packages of 10.
Michaela,
She
sit
has
down.
7 extra boxes. So how many ones do we have, Justin? Great job.
Y'all are
7.
too busy.
So how many juice boxes does Sue have? Write the number of 10s and 1s and write the total number of juice boxes. We wrote our 10s and 1s, and how many will we have in all?
37.
Dustin, 37. Great job, Dustin. For number 10, there are 25 juice cartons. Which model shows the number of juice cartons? If we have 5 here, 5 here, is this a group of 10 here?
Yes.
Okay, let me ask somebody. Number 14. Who is number 14? Do we have a group of 10 here, Ash? 5 and 5 is a group of 10, right? So should I circle that group of 10? Yes. Okay, we have one group of 10 here. Ashley, do we have enough boxes to have another group of 10? Great job. We'll circle this group of 10. But do we have enough boxes to make another group of 10? No. So how many groups of 10 do we have? Count the groups. We got 1, 2 groups of 10. So
Jonah,
the first one we'll
be
have,
still.
we'll have 2. And how many do we have left over, Ashley? So we'll have 2 groups of 10 and how many ones? 5. So what's the answer for number 10, Ashley? Great job. 2 5s and 5 1s. 25. Did everybody have that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you didn't have it, take time to mark the correct answers. We had 37 and 25. Does everybody have it?
Yes.
Akila, sit up, please. Okay, let's journal. Draw some 10s and 1s and write the number. Number 3, give me what number you had. You had 20? So tell us, how will we do 20? How will we write 20? How many 10s will we have? 2. And how many 1s will we have? How many? Great job. But anybody could have used any number they wanted to use. But if you didn't use the number, you can use Court's number 20.
I did 64.
Ask why Courts is wrong. Ask why Courts was wrong.
64.
He didn't have any ones.
64.
Point out the Court had no ones. Draw 10s and 1s.
Oh, okay. So why is Court answer wrong? Jonah? Brody?
There's no ones.
Great job. So we can't use Court's. So who else got a good number? Number 15? What's your number?
26.
Great job. If we got 26, how many 10s do you have?
2.
And how many 1s do you have?
6.
Great job. And if I wanted to draw my 10s chart, if I wanted to draw it out like jugs, how would I do it? How many groups of 10 would I need?
You would draw. You would draw 2 teams
Okay.
and 6 ones.
Great job. And I have 6 1s. Great job, Akila. If you didn't have your own number, this is the correct way to do our journal. Write in your journal. At the bottom. What you need, Breeden? Oh, okay.
You didn't draw any 10s. You drew the numbers, but you didn't draw any 10s or any 1s. You use the numbers you need to use.
So
The
do everybody
model.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we're gonna do a review. So all y'all say y'all understand? We're gonna review. Do they have a quick check?
Mm-mm.
Okay, so we're gonna do a quick check.
That's why you put it under the,
We're gonna see if y'all really know how to do it.
shh.
It says, which number does the picture show? Zeke?
45.
Great job. How do we know it show 45?
Because there's 4 10s and 5 ones.
Great job. There are 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Great job. It says, which is the missing number? Blank tens and 7 ones is the same as 47.
Michaela,
Brianne,
Michaela, pay attention.
which number is missing? If we have the number 47, which one will be our ones? Which one will be our tens? If I draw my chart, which one is the tens? Okay. And which one is the ones? Okay, so which number is missing? How many tens do I have? See, say I have 7 ones here, so how many tens do I have? Great job. So 4 is the number that's missing. Great job, Brianne. So is everybody understanding what we're doing?
Yes.
By putting our numbers on the value chart?
Yes.
And by counting our groups of 10 and the ones that are left over?
Yes.
It says, draw a picture to solve and explain your answer. It says, Sarah is assigned to bring 48 juice boxes to the party. Each package holds 10 juice boxes. Sarah says she needs to buy 5 packages. Is Sarah correct? Is that correct?
Yes.
Great job.
Yes.
Because if Sarah is assigned to bring 48 juices, and if she buy 5 packages, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's how many? We have 48 juices, right? So how many tens will we have? If we have 48, how many tens will we have? Jonah?
4,
How many ones?
8.
So if we have 50, how many of these, out of those 50, how many, if we got 10 juices in each box and she need 48, how many 4s will we have? How many will we have left over? If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 40. And how many we have? We needed 50 because how many juices going to be left out of this? If we only need 8 of these, how many juices will be left? Great job, 2 left over. And she will have a 48 juices with those 2 left over. Everybody understand?
Yes.
Are y'all sure?
Yes.
Let's get your math practice workbook out. We're going to go over the first page. We're going to go over the first one together, and then you do the rest for homework. Let's everybody do 8-3 out their math book. You can tear it out. Does everybody have it?
No.
And I'm just going to do the example one that they've done for you on page 8-3, on the first page of 8-3. It says, number 1, we're going to just go over number 1. Everybody got their book out? And everybody got it torn out?
Yes, ma'am.
tens and ones, then write the numbers. It gave us 2 tens. And on the side, it has 4. So how many tens do you have? How many tens do I have? Number 12. How many tens do I have? Dawson, you're not even paying attention. And I'm calling on you, how many tens do we have? And you're gonna need this, because y'all gonna need this to pass y'all test. And this is very, very hard, and so everybody needs to pay attention and listen. So Dawson, how many tens do I have? No. This is a 10, and this is a 10. So how many tens do I have? I have 20 in all, but how many groups of 10 do I have? Help them.
Dawson, come up. Come up, Dawson. Excuse me. Come up. Touch a 10 that she has up there. Touch one group she just drew. Do you see where she drew a long group like we've been drawing for about 12 weeks? Do you see it?
One.
Now touch the next one.
2.
How many
So
did you
groups of
touch?
10? So how many groups of 10 did you just touch? I got the 1, 2. So how many groups of 10 did you just touch? Great job. And how many ones do we have left over here?
4.
Great job. You gotta pay attention, okay?
She had already written 1 under one group, 2 in another group. That was not a 12. You need to listen.
You gotta pay
Along
attention.
with Michaela, who's listened to nothing.
So how many do we have in all, Dawson?
24.
Great job, 24. Okay, so y'all will take A3 home and do it for homework. Everybody got it torn out. Y'all can put all your stuff in your folders. And tomorrow, we will go into expanded forms, talking about groups of tens and ones and expanded forms. Okay?
But you have to know how to use a place value chart before you can do expanded form.
So do y'all want me to do it in one more example of the value chart? Or do y'all think y'all got it? Raise your hand if you want me to go over it one more time. Okay. Because y'all got to know this before we do the expanded form tomorrow. Start the new semester. We started new with, starting tens and ones with expanded form. So y'all got to know this. So if I have... How many tens do I have? Number 3.
Number 3. How many tens do you see up there in the tens column?
No. This is not a square, so that's not a 10 column. It's just in the box. So how many do you see? Count them again. How many groups of 10 do you see? job. We have how many groups of 10?
6,
Great job. And how many ones do we have, Chloe?
5,
Great job. So we have 5 left over. So what's our number? What's our answer?
6, 5.
Great job. I'm gonna do one more. And y'all gotta make sure y'all know this before we go into expanded forms tomorrow, okay? And make sure you go home and do your homework, and if you need help, ask your mom or somebody to help you. Okay. Number 8. How many 10s do we have?
Number 8.
She's counting.
Great job. She said we have 5 10s, and we do. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do we have left over, Brianne? Great job. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's our answer, Brianne?
59.
Great job. 59. Everybody got it?
Yes.
Okay, because we will start doing expanded forms tomorrow. Huh? Huh? You said what? Oh, that's 14 and all in the 2 squares? Okay.
Explain why it's wrong.
Why is that wrong? That is wrong because these are groups of 10. So it ain't no way it can be 14. If this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, plus 9 is 59. So no, that's not 14 things in those squares.
But you
We're
have
not
to
counting by
count.
ones, we're counting by groups of 10. Right? So count them over. So how many would it be inside in all? Great job. We are not counting by ones, Dawson. We are counting by 10s, right? We're learning 10s and ones, right? Groups of 10 and what's left over as ones, right? Okay, so are you gonna know it tomorrow? You don't know. You gotta know it. You gotta go home and practice and do your homework so you will know it.